Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study with Chopras. In the last class, we were doing verb in the grammar series. So we have already seen kinds of verb, that is action verb, verb of being, auxiliary verbs, that is helping verb, modal verb, and then we have studied around 10 rules of subject verb agreement. तो आपने अगर वो मेरा चैनल वीडियो नहीं देखा है चैनल पे तो प्लीज आप देख लीजिए ताकि आपको क्लैरिटी मिल जाए कि हाउ वी हैव टू apply the rules of the verb. Now we'll start with the exercises. So first question is choose the correct option and fill in the blanks in the sentences given below. So the elephant dash all over the plants. So इसमें what will be the correct option? Options are walking, ate, trampled and sit. So if we see the elephant trampled all over the plants is the correct option. Why? Because walking के साथ तो फिर is MR होना चाहिए, right? And then एट का कोई सेंस नहीं बन रहा है. ट्रैम्पल्ड इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. और सिट वैसे नहीं आएगा क्योंकि एलिफेंट इज अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. तो अगर सिंगुलर फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आएगा तो सिट्स आना चाहिए. तो इसलिए ट्रैम्पल्ड इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. द पिज्जा डैश स्लोली इन द ब्रिक ओवन. तो द पिज्जा कुक स्लोली इन द ब्रिक ओवन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द कंप्यूटर डैश विद अ लाउड बीप. सो द कंप्यूटर started is the correct option because stopped नहीं है यहाँ पे. makes जो है वो नहीं आएगा क्योंकि it is not making any sound. slid भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि slid is plural verb and computer is a singular subject. तो इसलिए started is the correct option. Question number 4. I am not dashed to stay out after midnight. So I am not afraid to stay up out after midnight. तो आई एम नॉट अलाउ नहीं आएगा या तो फिर आई एम नॉट अलाउड आना चाहिए. आई एम नॉट लाइक भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि जो है आई एम नॉट लाइक इट विल नॉट मेक एनी सेंस. तो इसलिए आई एम नॉट गो भी नहीं आएगा. तो इसलिए आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. इट इज टाइम टू डैश आवर मीटिंग फॉर द डे. सो इट इज टाइम टू एंड आवर मीटिंग फॉर द डे. तो टू के साथ जो है हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आता है. तो स्टार्टेड और कॉल्ड तो वैसे भी नहीं आएंगे. एंड एड इज नॉट मेकिंग एनी सेंस. तो इसीलिए इट इज टाइम टू एंड आवर मीटिंग फॉर द डे इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट इज वी डैश द गेम एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ आवर ग्रेट टीम वर्क. सो वी वन द गेम एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ आवर ग्रेट टीम वर्क. तो यहाँ पे ग्रेट टीम वर्क की बात हो रही है तो इसलिए वन आएगा, लूज नहीं आएगा. एंड विन वैसे नहीं आएगा बिकॉज इट इज अबाउट something which has happened in the past, जो हमने जीत लिया है. The students dash to class after recess. So the students क्या आएगा? hurry to class. वो जल्दी जल्दी क्लास में चले गए. तो left to class नहीं आएगा, take to class भी नहीं आएगा, does not make any sense, and study to class भी नहीं आएगा. So correct option is hurry. वो वहां से recess के बाद जल्दी जल्दी अपनी क्लास में चले गए. Eugene dash a drum फ्रॉम अ बिग मेटल कैन. सो यूगिन ने जो है बिग मेटल कैन से एक ड्रम बनाया. इट कैन नॉट बी खरीदा, बॉट नहीं होगा, पकड़ा नहीं होगा, सोचा नहीं होगा. तो इट कैन बी ओनली मेड. तो यूगिन ने जो है एक बड़े मेटल कैन से एक ड्रम बनाया आएगा. तो दैट इज मेड. Sierra dashed to do her own thing and never to follow the herd. So Sierra is the name of a person, that is a girl, and it will be likes. Okay. It is a singular subject. तो singular subject के साथ subject verb agreement के हिसाब से we have to put singular verb. So Sarah likes to do. So try is a plural verb, proud is a plural verb, and makes जो है it is not making any sense. It is an awkward sentence if we put makes here. The loaf of bread began to rise, fallen, decayed and make. तो make तो नहीं आएगा क्योंकि it is not making any sense. Fallen और decayed भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि टू के साथ हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब होता है. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज राइस. तो इसमें राइज आएगा. राइस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. 11th क्वेश्चन. इट इज नाइस टू डैश अ पिकनिक अंडर अ ग्रोव ऑफ ट्रीज. सो इट इज नाइस टू हैव अ पिकनिक अंडर अ ग्रोव ऑफ ट्रीज. तो टू के साथ हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आएगा और दैट विल बी हैव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. We dashed the path to the oak tree. So we crossed the path to the oak tree. Walk नहीं आएगा, run भी नहीं आएगा and come भी नहीं आएगा. It is about something which we have done. So cross is the correct option. Choose the correct form of the verb that of being that best completes each sentence. So we have learned in the last video. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो आप देख लीजिए. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो प्लीज hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I also need a lot of motivation from your side. I see many of the people who watch my video, they don't subscribe to us. So please understand that our content creators are also creating content to have motivation from your side. So by subscribing to the channel and liking the video, we get a lot of motivation. So it is requested that if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, and if you keep on watching my channel, please hit the subscribe button. So next is now we have to apply the verb of being. तो being of being के कौन से verb of being कौन कौन से होते हैं? is, am, are होते हैं, जो हमने पिछले वीडियो में बताया था. is, am, are, was, were, ये सब verbs of being होते हैं. Okay, so first question is, we dash seldom as perfect or as accurate as we would like to be. So we are, we के साथ are आएगा. I dash hungry now, so I am hungry now. is was या are नहीं आएगा. A funeral dash certainly not an opportune time to tell your favorite joke. तो a funeral के साथ क्या आएगा? is आएगा. is certainly not an opportune time to tell your favorite joke. Fourth question, he dash late yesterday. Now it is about yesterday, past की बात हो रही है, इसलिए इसमें was आएगा, is नहीं आएगा. और are और am तो वैसे ही नहीं आएगा क्योंकि it is a singular subject. he के साथ जो है is singular verb ही आएगा as per subject verb agreement. Question fifth, the brown fur of sloths sometimes covered in green algae. So the brown fur of sloths dash sometimes covered in green algae. Now we have to recognize here what is the subject. Brown fur of sloths. Although sloths is plural, but the subject, actual subject क्या है यहाँ पे? Brown fur की बात हो रही है. तो brown fur is a singular subject. Of sloths, sloths का है वो, that is a separate thing, but it is about brown fur. So it is sometimes. Brown fur जो है वो singular है, इसलिए it will be is, and was नहीं होगा क्योंकि it is sometimes, मतलब ये present जो कि एक habit या present indefinite tense की बात हो रही है, जो कि एक habit या usually होती रहती है चीज, तो इसलिए इसमें is आएगा, not was, are and am. Question 6, the climate in the mountains dash cold and dry. Again we have to see what is the subject here. Now it is climate in the mountains. It is not mountains which is subject. Subject is climate. The climate is the subject here, and climate is singular. So the climate in the mountains is cold and dry. So you have to see कि actual में इसमें subject है क्या. It should not be कि mountains fill in the blank के पास लिखा हुआ है तो we consider mountains as a subject. तो subject आपको अच्छे से देखना है. If you see the rules of subject verb agreement which I have told in the last video, you will understand it. There dash numerous benefits of learning how to read. So there abhi what is the subject here? Subject here is benefits. So there are numerous benefits of learning how to read. Next is, his plays dash personal dramas often presented in a historical context. Now subject is dramas, personal dramas, not personal dramas. So and it is about plays. Subject is plays and dramas. So his plays are personal dramas often presented in a historical context. Last year, John and Simon dash was dash working. So now subject here is John and Simon. दो लोगों की बात हो रही है तो it will be were working. I dash asleep yesterday afternoon when you called. Now इसमें I के साथ तो हमें पता है कि is या are तो नहीं आएगा, but was या am में अगर हमें choose करना है तो it will be was. Why? Because it is about yesterday. So I was asleep yesterday afternoon when you called up. I am asleep yesterday afternoon नहीं हो सकता है. I am आएगा तो it is about today and now. So if it is I was, then only it can be yesterday afternoon. So was is the correct option here. My current job dash temporary until I find something better. So it is not I who is subject here or my who is subject here. Subject here is current job. तो करंट जॉब जो है वो एक सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है और सिंस इट इज करंट, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द प्रेजेंट टेंस, सो इट विल बी इज नॉट वाज. और आर और एम तो इसलिए नहीं आएगा क्योंकि जॉब इज अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट एंड एम भी नहीं आएगा. Where dash you yesterday? So where were you yesterday is the correct option. Third question is, choose the correct. Hello. choose the correct option to mark the type of underlined verb in the following sentence. The storm broke. अभी जो है हमें ये देखना है कि इसके साथ कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है. तो storm broke means it is a, इसके साथ ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो it is will be a intransitive verb. As soon as the wind blows the fog will clear. तो अगेन विंड जो है ब्लो होगी तो फॉग क्लियर हो जाएगी. तो इसमें अगेन जो है विंड तो ब्लो हो रही है बट देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट टू इट, तो इट विल बी इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स टू बाय. तो आर जो है मैंने बताया था इट इज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब, सो हेल्पिंग इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. I understood her question. Now here it is transitive verb. Why? Because जो object है it is there with the verb, that is her question. You may leave the room. तो may, should, can, could ये सब है modal verbs. She sang loudly. तो she sang loudly लेकिन इसमें कोई object नहीं है. She sang a song होता तो फिर transitive verb होता क्योंकि song was the one which was sung by her. तो she sang loudly means it is intransitive verb क्योंकि इसमें कोई भी loudly जो है वो adverb है, it is not a object, not an object. I think I can get you a ticket to the concert. So I think I can. So can is again modal verb. He could speak Japanese when he was young. So modal. Could is a modal. The mother praised her son. So mother ने है अपने बेटे की प्रशंसा की. तो her son is an object, mother is subject, and the verb will be transitive. We drove to San Francisco. So we drove to San Francisco. तो we drove में we drove the car नहीं है. to San Francisco तो एक जगह का नाम है. It is not an object. तो intransitive verb. Now choose the correct option to fill in the blanks with suitable auxiliary verbs. You dash go only if you have permission. So only if you have permission means you may go. We dash have done the work if we had the time. So we would have done the work if we had the time. Next is he dash writing a novel. So he के साथ is आएगा तो is writing a novel. They dash marching forward. They are marching forward. They may नहीं आएगा. Already something which is happening. तो इसलिए are आएगा. They dash engaged in heated argument. तो option should, was, were, would में they were engaged in a heated argument. I dash to forgotten to post the letter. I have, I के साथ have आएगा तो I have forgotten to post the letter. They dash violated the agreement. So they के साथ have आएगा. They have violated the agreement. I dash explain the point to you. So I can explain the point to you. I के साथ does नहीं आएगा, verb नहीं आएगा, and I was explain the point to you. इसका कोई sense नहीं बन रहा है तो I can explain the point to you. I dash going on a holiday. So I am going on a holiday. The robbers stole whatever they could find in the shop. तो अगेन जो डाकू हैं उन्होंने वो चुरा लिया जो उनको मिला. सो दे कुड फाइंड. ठीक है. सो दिस फिनिशेस आवर एक्सरसाइज ऑफ वर्ब्स. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द टॉपिक वेल. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a very happy learning till the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.